Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand image filtering techniques in computer vision, specifically focusing on spatial filters. 1. What is image filtering? Image filtering is the process of modifying or enhancing an image by operating directly on its pixels. In spatial filtering, we work in the spatial domain, meaning we manipulate pixel values using a small matrix called a kernel or filter mask. The filter moves across the image. This process is called convolution. Mathematically, output x, y, na, s, kernel I, j, x, image x psi, y plus j. 2. Types of spatial filters. Spatial filters are mainly divided into A. Smoothing filters, low-pass filters. These reduce noise and blur the image. Examples: averaging filter replaces each pixel with the average of its neighbors. Gaussian filter uses weighted averaging, giving more importance to central pixels. Median filter replaces the pixel with the median value. Very effective for salt and pepper noise. These are widely used in preprocessing steps before object detection. B. Sharpening filters, high-pass filters. These enhance edges and fine details. Examples: Sobel Operator detects horizontal and vertical edges. Prewitt Operator, similar to Sobel but simpler. Laplacian Filter detects rapid intensity changes. These are important in edge detection and feature extraction tasks. 3. Why spatial filtering is important? Spatial filters are essential because they remove noise, enhance important features, improve object detection performance, prepare images for deep learning models. Modern AI pipelines still use spatial filtering as a pre-processing step before feeding images into CNNs. 4. Latest perspective, 2026 context. Today, spatial filtering is also integrated into CNN convolution layers, real-time vision systems, edge AI devices, autonomous systems. Even advanced models internally perform convolution, inspired directly by spatial filtering concepts. Conclusion. To summarize, spatial filtering modifies pixel values using kernels. It includes smoothing and sharpening techniques, and it forms the foundation of modern computer vision and deep learning systems. Thank you for watching.